Best Video Doorbells. Are you looking for the best video doorbells? In this video we will look at 5 of the best video doorbells on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Arlo Video Doorbell. The Arlo Video Doorbell 2K, 2nd Gen, is a versatile smart doorbell designed to enhance home security with high-definition video and advanced features. Offering a crisp 2K resolution, it delivers clear, detailed video footage of visitors at your doorstep, ensuring you never miss a moment. Its wide 180-degree field of view provides comprehensive coverage, capturing a head-to-toe perspective for better identification and safety. This doorbell supports both wire-free and wired installation options, giving you flexibility based on your home setup and preference. With built-in night vision, it guarantees clear visibility even in low light or nighttime conditions, helping you monitor your entryway 24/7. The integrated two-way audio feature allows seamless communication with visitors through your smartphone, whether you are at home or away. The doorbell also includes a built-in siren that can be activated to deter unwanted guests or intruders instantly. Real-time notifications alert you immediately when someone approaches your door, enabling prompt responses. The live stream function lets you check the video feed anytime for peace of mind. Its sleek white design blends well with most home exteriors, combining style and functionality. Overall, the Arlo Video Doorbell 2K, 2nd Gen, is an excellent smart home security upgrade that combines high-quality video, flexible installation, smart alerts, and convenient communication features to keep your home safe and connected. Number 2. ESVIS DB1C Wi-Fi Video Doorbell. The ESVIS DB1 Pro is a high-performance video doorbell designed to enhance home security with advanced features and modern connectivity. Equipped with a sharp 5-megapixel camera, it delivers clear, detailed video footage, allowing you to see visitors with excellent clarity. The doorbell offers an ultra-wide 176-degree field of view, capturing a broad area at your doorstep to reduce blind spots and ensure comprehensive monitoring. Thanks to 5G Wi-Fi support, the DB1 Pro provides faster and more stable wireless connectivity, minimizing lag and ensuring smooth live video streaming and instant notifications on your smartphone. It features intelligent human and vehicle shape detection, which helps to reduce false alarms by distinguishing people and vehicles from other moving objects. When motion is detected, the doorbell sends real-time alerts via sound and light, enhancing security awareness. Communication is seamless with the built-in two-way talk functionality, allowing you to hear and speak with visitors directly through the ESVIS app, whether you're home or away. This feature adds convenience for deliveries, guests, or deterring unwanted visitors. Built to withstand various weather conditions, the DB1 Pro is weatherproof and durable, suitable for outdoor use in rain or shine. Installation is straightforward, compatible with standard doorbell wiring or can be powered by a battery for flexible placement. Overall, the ESVIS 5G Wi-Fi 5MP Video Doorbell DB1 Pro combines cutting-edge video technology, smart detection, and reliable connectivity to provide an effective and user-friendly home security solution. Number 3. Ring Peephole Cam. The Ring Peephole Cam is a smart video doorbell designed to enhance home security with modern technology while preserving the look of a traditional peephole. It replaces your existing door viewer and instantly transforms it into a high-definition smart camera, providing a clear live video feed of anyone at your door directly to your smartphone or tablet. Equipped with a 1080p HD camera, the Peephole Cam delivers crisp and detailed video footage, day or night, thanks to its built-in infrared night vision. This allows you to see visitors clearly even in low-light conditions. The device features a wide field of view, capturing more of your doorstep area compared to standard peepholes. One of the standout features is the two-way audio system, which enables seamless communication between you and your visitors via the Ring app. Whether you're inside the house, at work, or away from home, you can speak and listen in real time to anyone at your door, providing convenience and added security. Installation is straightforward and user-friendly, designed to fit most standard door peepholes without the need for complicated wiring or tools. The peephole cam runs on a rechargeable battery, ensuring flexibility in placement and easy maintenance. Additionally, the Ring peephole cam supports motion detection alerts, sending instant notifications to your phone whenever movement is detected near your door. This helps you stay aware of any unexpected visitors or activity. Overall, the Ring peephole cam is an excellent choice for homeowners looking to upgrade their door security with a discreet, smart solution that offers reliable video monitoring and two-way communication. Number 4. Eufy Video Doorbell E340. The Eufy Security Video Doorbell E340 is a versatile, battery-powered smart doorbell designed to enhance home security with advanced features and no ongoing fees. Equipped with dual cameras, it offers comprehensive coverage of your doorstep. The primary camera delivers sharp 2K Full HD video quality, ensuring clear and detailed footage, while the secondary camera adds an extra angle to capture a broader view, helping you monitor packages and visitors effectively. One standout feature is the delivery guard function, which focuses on detecting and protecting packages left at your door, reducing the risk of theft. The doorbell also supports color night vision, providing vivid and detailed video even in low-light conditions, unlike traditional infrared night vision that shows only black and white images. This ensures you can identify visitors and activities around your home day or night. The E340 works seamlessly with the Homebase S380 hub, enabling local storage of recordings and eliminating the need for cloud subscriptions or monthly fees, an excellent cost-saving advantage. The battery-powered design offers flexible installation options without the hassle of wiring, and the battery life is designed to last for extended periods before needing a recharge. Additionally, the doorbell supports two-way audio for real-time communication with visitors via the Eufy app. Motion detection alerts notify you instantly on your smartphone, keeping you connected and informed no matter where you are. In summary, the Eufy Security Video Doorbell E340 combines high-resolution video, smart package monitoring, color night vision, and no subscription fees, making it a reliable and budget-friendly solution for home security. Number 5. Ring Wired Doorbell Pro. The Ring Wired Doorbell Pro, newest model, is a top-tier smart doorbell designed for users who have existing doorbell wiring. It combines advanced technology with sleek design to deliver a best-in-class experience. This wired doorbell requires a connection to your home's existing doorbell wiring, ensuring continuous power without the need to recharge batteries. Key features include a high-definition HD video camera that provides clear and detailed 1080p video footage. The wide-angle lens offers an extensive field of view, allowing you to see visitors clearly at your doorstep. With improved night vision capabilities, it ensures visibility even in low-light conditions, helping you monitor your home 24/7. The Ring Wired Doorbell Pro supports two-way audio with noise cancellation, so you can hear and speak to visitors through your smartphone, tablet, or Ring devices seamlessly, no matter where you are. It offers customizable motion detection zones, reducing false alerts and allowing you to focus on important activity around your door. This model integrates smoothly with the Ring app and supports Alexa devices, enabling voice commands and smart home automation. The installation process is designed to be straightforward for anyone with existing doorbell wiring. Overall, the Ring Wired Doorbell Pro, newest model, stands out with its crisp video quality, reliable wired power, smart motion detection, and seamless integration with smart home ecosystems, making it an excellent choice for enhancing home security and convenience.